Hello and welcome to another advanced Roblox developer tutorial. Today we're going to be setting up an advanced block placement system. I just want to start off by saying that if you do need any help with this or you'd like to support the channel in any way, please do join the Discord and the link in the description. I did create this system myself, so you're more than welcome to use it in your own games. Right, so let's get started. First, go into the link in the description and find the free model. Add this to your inventory, mine's already in mine. Open up Roblox Studio and open a new project. Open up the toolbox at the top, go to My Models, and then import the model. Once it's in, you should see it's in Workspace. If you open up the README here, you can just see the credits on here. Go ahead and delete that README. Then ungroup everything in the right areas. Once that's all done, open up the Placement Manager script. The only thing you'll need to edit in here is the config. Then open up the Placement Client. And then same here, you'll only be needing the config. Before we start editing, if you just go into the game to test it, here that you can see when you press E, the menu opens, that you're able to place and delete blocks. But let's have a look how we can customize this a little bit. I've set this system up so that it's easy as possible to edit. So if we go back into the Placement Manager script, we can add our own blocks into here. I'm just going to add a sample one for now. There are lots of other settings you can change on here, but I'm just going to keep it simple for the video. We're going to add our own red wool to this. If we go back into game here to test it, you can see that we can now place the red wool. Next, we're going to customize some of the sound effects. All you need to do here is try and find a sound effect in the toolbox. I found this snap one that I quite like. Then put it into your project and copy the asset ID. And then just go back into the Placement Manager script and edit the sound ID that you like. Again, going back into game here to test it. You can now see that whenever we break blocks, the sound has been updated. We can also change the client side of things here as well. So one of the things we can do in the client script is that we can change the colors of the ghost blocks. I'm just going to quickly change them to some random colors here. And we go back into game. You can see that it's fully changed in the game as well. Like I say, if you do need any help with this, please do join the Discord and the link in the description. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.